Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into bug 860,794, HTTP streaming does not work anymore, and how it relates to VLC. This is a significant and potentially intricate topic, often involving nuances of network protocols, media handling, and VLC's internal workings. I'll provide a detailed walkthrough, including potential causes, troubleshooting steps, code examples, and workarounds. Understanding the problem, HTTP streaming and VLC. Before we get into the specifics of bug 860,794, let's define the core concepts. *HTTP streaming *HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is the foundation of the web. HTTP streaming, in the context of media, involves delivering audio or video content over HTTP in a progressive or adaptive manner. Instead of downloading the entire file before playback, the client, in this case, VLC, downloads and plays the content in chunks. This allows for lower latency, adaptive bitrate switching, abridged, and the ability to start playback even before the entire file is available. *VLC, videolan client. VLC is a highly versatile and widely used media player. It supports a vast array of media formats and protocols, including HTTP streaming. VLC's internal architecture relies on modules and plugins to handle different media types and protocols. These modules are responsible for demuxing, splitting the media stream into audio and video tracks, decoding, converting the encoded data into raw audio/video frames, and rendering, displaying the output. *Bug 860794 *. This bug report, specific to VLC, signals that HTTP streaming, which previously worked in a particular version, or versions, of VLC, has stopped working. This means that VLC fails to play audio or video content streamed over HTTP that it used to play successfully. Potential causes of HTTP streaming issues in VLC. Numerous factors could contribute to the failure of HTTP streaming in VLC. Here's a breakdown of the most common culprits. 1. Changes in VLC codebase, regression. *A bug in the VLC source code introduced during development might have broken HTTP streaming functionality. This could stem from modifications to the HTTP demuxer, network handling, or any module involved in processing HTTP streams. This is the most likely reason a bug number was assigned to the issue. *Regression *. Sometimes, a change intended to fix one problem introduces a new one. This is a common problem in software development. Example scenario *. Imagine a fix for a security vulnerability that inadvertently changes how HTTP headers are parsed. This seemingly unrelated change could disrupt the way VLC identifies and processes HTTP streaming content. 2. Server-side changes, HTTP server configuration. *HTTP headers *. The HTTP server delivering the media content might have undergone configuration changes. Incorrect or missing HTTP headers, example content type, content length, accept ranges, can prevent VLC from correctly identifying and handling the stream. Changes to HTTP caching headers, example cache control, could also affect streaming behavior. *MIME types *. The server might be serving the content with an incorrect MIME type. For example, serving an MP4 file with text/plain instead of video/MP4 would confuse VLC. *Authentication/authorization *. The server might have introduced or modified authentication mechanisms, example basic authentication, digest authentication, that VLC isn't correctly handling. Asterisk range requests. Asterisk adaptive bitrate streaming often relies on HTTP range requests. If the server doesn't support or has misconfigured range requests, VLC might be unable to fetch specific chunks of the media stream. 3. Network issues. Asterisk firewall/proxy. Firewalls or proxy servers might be blocking or interfering with HTTP streaming traffic. Ensure that your firewall rules and proxy settings allow VLC to access the HTTP server. DNS resolution. Problems with DNS resolution could prevent VLC from resolving the host name of the HTTP server. Network congestion. Network congestion can lead to dropped packets and slow download speeds, causing buffering issues and playback failures. TLS/SSL configuration. If the HTTP server uses HTTPS, HTTP secure, there might be issues with the server's TLS/SSL certificate or configuration. VLC might be unable to establish a secure connection. 4. Codec issues. The media content might be encoded using a codec that VLC doesn't fully support or has issues with. This is less likely if the content previously worked, but it's still a possibility. Codec libraries can have bugs. Outdated codec libraries. VLC's internal codec libraries might be outdated or incompatible with the content. 5. VLC configuration. Incorrect VLC settings can also lead to HTTP streaming problems. Settings related to caching, network access, and HTTP proxy configuration can affect VLC's ability to stream content. User agent string. Some servers rely on the user agent HTTP header to determine the client's capabilities. If the VLC user agent is outdated or blocked by the server, it could cause issues. 6. Operating system/platform specific issues. Sometimes, bugs are specific to a particular operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or platform, example ARM architecture. Troubleshooting steps. Now, let's go through a systematic approach to diagnosing and resolving HTTP streaming issues in VLC. 1. Verify the HTTP server. Simple test. First, rule out problems with the HTTP server itself. Try accessing the streaming URL in a web browser, example Chrome, Firefox, Safari. If the browser can play the content without issues, the server is likely working correctly. HTTP header inspection. Use a web developer tool, example Chrome DevTools Network tab, Firefox Developer Tools Network tab, to examine the HTTP headers returned by the server. Pay close attention to content type. Make sure it matches the actual media type, example video/MP4, audio/MPEG, application/vnd.apple.mqurl for HLS. Content length indicates the size of the content. Accept ranges should be present and set to bytes if the server supports range requests. Cache control expires caching headers. Transfer encoding, if it's set to chunked, the server is using chunk transfer encoding. Command line tools. Curl and decoding are useful for fetching HTTP headers and downloading content from the server. 2. Test with different VLC versions. Try an older version of VLC that you know did work with HTTP streaming. This can help determine if the problem is a recent regression in VLC. Download older versions from the Videolan website or archive sites. Test the latest nightly build of VLC. Nightly builds contain the very latest code changes, including bug fixes. However, nightly builds can also be unstable. 3. Check VLC error messages and logs asterisk. Asterisk message window asterisk in VLC, go to View Messages, or press Ctrl+M. Set the verbosity level to 2, or higher, to get more detailed output. Look for error messages or warnings that provide clues about the problem. Asterisk command line output asterisk if you're running VLC from the command line, the error messages will be printed directly to the console. Asterisk log files asterisk VLC might write log files to a specific location on your system. The location varies depending on the operating system and VLC configuration. Check VLC's preferences for the log file path. 4. Inspect VLC configuration asterisk. Asterisk preferences asterisk go to Tools Preferences in VLC. Asterisk input/codecs asterisk review the input/codecs settings, especially the network caching, MS, option. Try increasing the caching value if you're experiencing buffering issues. Asterisk HTTP proxy asterisk if you're using a proxy server, make sure the HTTP proxy settings are configured correctly in VLC. Try disabling the proxy to see if that resolves the problem. Asterisk advanced settings asterisk in the show settings section, select all to access advanced settings. Be very careful when modifying advanced settings, as incorrect settings can break VLC. Look for settings related to HTTP, networking, and caching. Asterisk reset preferences asterisk sometimes, a corrupted VLC configuration file can cause problems. Try resetting VLC's preferences to the default settings. 5. Network analysis, Wireshark. Asterisk Wireshark is a powerful network protocol analyzer. It allows you to capture and inspect network traffic, including HTTP packets. Asterisk capture traffic asterisk start Wireshark and begin capturing traffic on the network interface used by VLC. Asterisk filter for HTTP asterisk apply a filter to show only HTTP traffic, example HTTP. Asterisk analyze packets asterisk examine the HTTP requests and responses between VLC and the server. Look for error codes, example 404 not found, 500 internal server error, incorrect headers, or any other anomalies. Asterisk follow TCP stream asterisk right click on an HTTP packet and select follow TCP stream to view the entire conversation between VLC and the server. This can help you understand the sequence of events and identify any issues. 6. Simplified testing with minimal code asterisk. Asterisk simple HTTP server asterisk set up a simple HTTP server on your local machine, using Python, Node.js, or any other web server, to serve a small media file. This eliminates the complexity of a remote server and allows you to focus on VLC's behavior. Asterisk Python example asterisk. Save this code as server.py and run it from the command line, python server.py. Then, place a media file, example test.mp4, in the same directory. Try playing http://localhost 8000/test.mp4 in VLC. 7. Report the bug, if confirmed. Asterisk if you've identified a clear bug in VLC, report it on the videolan bug tracker. Provide as much detail as possible, including asterisk VLC version, asterisk operating system, asterisk steps to reproduce the problem, asterisk HTTP server configuration, asterisk Wireshark capture, if possible, asterisk error messages and log output. Code examples, Python for HTTP server. The Python code above is a basic example of setting up an HTTP server. Here's a slightly more sophisticated version that allows you to customize the content type header. Example, handling HLS, HTTP live streaming. If you are streaming HLS content, which is a very common form of HTTP streaming, be especially aware of the MIME types and the structure of HLS playlists, .m3u8 files, and transport stream segments, .ts files. Debugging scenarios and solutions. Let's explore some specific scenarios and potential solutions. Asterisk Scenario 1, VLC can't play the stream, browser can. Asterisk Possible cause asterisk VLC's user agent is blocked, or the server requires a specific user agent. Asterisk Solution asterisk In VLC's preferences, advanced settings, try changing the user agent string to match that of a working browser, example Mozilla 5.0, Windows NT 10.0, Win64, x64, Apple WebKit 537.36, KHTML, like Gecko, Chrome 91.0.4472.124 Safari 537.36. Asterisk Scenario 2, VLC plays the stream but buffers frequently. Asterisk Possible cause asterisk network congestion, insufficient caching in VLC. Asterisk Solution asterisk Increase the network caching, MS, setting in VLC's preferences. Also, check your network connection and ensure that there are no firewall restrictions. Asterisk Scenario 3, VLC reports HTTP 404 not found. Asterisk Possible cause asterisk The URL is incorrect, the file doesn't exist on the server, or the server requires authentication. Asterisk Solution asterisk Double check the URL. Verify that the file exists on the server and that you have the correct permissions to access it. If authentication is required, configure the necessary credentials in VLC, if supported. Asterisk Scenario 4, VLC shows a black screen or plays audio but no video. Asterisk Possible cause asterisk Codec issue, VLC doesn't support the video codec. Asterisk Solution asterisk Try installing additional codecs on your system. Ensure that VLC is using the correct video output module, tools-preferences-video-output. Experiment with different output modules. Final thoughts. Debugging HTTP streaming issues in VLC can be challenging, but by systematically investigating the potential causes and using the troubleshooting steps outlined above, you can often identify and resolve the problem. Remember to provide as much information as possible when reporting bugs to the videolan developers. Good luck.